Have you ever bought kitchen tools that make cooking easier and more enjoyable? I recently added some new items to my kitchen and I'm excited to share them with you. Today, I'll be showing you my new non-stick frying pan, iron sieves and draining spoon. Hello everyone, welcome to Olaban's Station. New here, this channel is all about sewing, production, DIY projects, practical skills, and lifestyle. Today, I want to show you some kitchen tools I recently purchased and why I decided to add them to my collection. Let's get started. The first one is my non-stick frying pan. It's about 6 sets. I'm yet to couple them. These are the handles. And you know, what I like about non-stick frying pan is that they require less oil during cooking. Food releases easily from the surface and cleaning is usually much faster as compared to ordinary pan. These pans will be useful for frying eggs, making pancakes, preparing sauces, frying plantain, cooking vegetables, testing new snack recipe. In fact, recently I started trying out my hands on all these small chops. I've done the training for quite a long time, but I didn't really practice. So when I decided to practice, my frying pan really disgraced me. As someone who creates food content, having quality frying pans helps improve both cooking efficiency and presentation. So the next one are these iron sieves. They came in 3 sets. I can use them for sieving flour, separating impurities from grains, filtering ingredients, preparing pastry recipes, food production processes. Using a sieve helps improve the texture and quality of many food products. I also bought 2 sets of draining spoon. They are very useful in the kitchen. I can use them to remove fried foods from hot oil, drain excess oil, lift boiled ingredients from water, improve safety during cooking. They help keep food less oily and make handling hot foods easier. One thing I have learned is that good tools make work a lot more easier. You don't need to buy everything at once, but gradually upgrading your kitchen equipment can improve your cooking experience and help you produce better results. Whether you cook for your family, for business or for content creation, investing in useful tools is always a good idea. These are the new addition to my kitchen sets. 6 sets of frying pan, 3 sets of iron sieves and 2 sets of draining spoons. I'm looking forward to using them in upcoming cooking, snack making, yogurt production and DIY food videos on this channel. Let me know in the comment section which of these kitchen tools you use most often. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss future videos. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video.